Hi, Kit Davy here. I want to show you how to make a paper bag out of any kind of rectangular piece of paper. Here is some scrapbooking paper. This is a page from an old book. Here we have some graph paper. I also have musical score paper. And I'm going to show you how to do the folding to create the paper bag. So this is about an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper from a piano book. And I'm going to start by folding in about 1/3. And then I'm going to bring the left side over and I'm going to overlap about 1 inch. Then I'm going to go ahead and put glue on this flap. And you could use pretty much any kind of glue. You could use a glue stick, or you could use a wet glue like Elmer's or PVA. Give that a good crease. Then I'm going to bring the bottom part of this folded piece of paper up about a 1/4 of the way up, maybe a little bit further than that. Give it a good creasing. I'm going to turn it so that I can do the next part, which is opening up here and putting my thumbs inside, and I'm going to press down on this crease here and bring the crease to that crease inside. Try to line up those lines. I'm going to spin it around and do the same. I'm going to try to bring this crease so that it lines up with the crease inside the bag. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is take this tip of a triangle and I'm going to fold it down so that it goes beyond this fold right here, just a little bit beyond, like maybe a 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and I'm going to lift that up, and I'm going to do the same with this one. Here's the crease right here. I'm going to bring the tip of the triangle just beyond there. Okay, and now I'm going to glue these triangular flaps down. I'm going to do the same with this one. Okay, and then here comes the last folds. I'm going to take this section right here and I'm going to line this up with that right there. And whoopsie, you could use a bone folder. I should probably use one, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm just using the side of my finger. I'm going to bring this up to there. Whoops, wrong. This up to there. Give it a good creasing. Okay, I'm going to open this back up, and then I can reach inside to shape the paper bag. Okay, and now this paper bag has a pretty tall profile, so I can use some pinking shears. Or if you've got a gift that you want to put inside here, you might be able to use the whole height of the bag, but to get a better proportion, I can use some pinking shears or regular scissors and just trim that so I get a proportion that I prefer. And these work really well as votives. So these paper this size, which is about 8.5 by 11, you can use one of these little votives candles and put it inside to create a luminaria. And this type works well too. Has a little switch on the bottom, and you can drop it inside the paper bag and use it at party time or on the dinner table. So that's how you create a paper bag.